Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to yet another Currency Direct Sterling Euro podcast with me, Keith Spittlenick. It is a Friday, the 25th of March. Well, Sterling Euro, we're trading at 1.1385, so dropped even further, I'm afraid, since last week, and we're now trading at a 2011 low. We did see quite a bit of data this week, in a week where sterling really needed to pick up the pace, really. However, the outlook was always bleak. UK still's got record unemployment, inflation and interest rates, so pound, I'm afraid, was always going to be in for a bit of a tough ride. Now, prior to the big news, which was the budget on Wednesday, we did have some inflation data out on Tuesday, inflation data for Feb, which came out even higher than the month before, coming in at 4.4%, which does show that the cost of living, well, it's going up at a tremendous rate. And then Wednesday, of course, we had the budget itself, which was certainly no showstopper. In fact, the highlight was probably Ken Clarke falling asleep during the budget, which kind of says it all, really. The currency markets really already knew what was coming, so they priced any movements into the market previously. And while the market does understand that George Osborne's hands were kind of tied, we still remain very, very concerned about the downgrading of UK growth forecasts and, of course, the increase in government borrowing. Now, to the end of the week, we had talks of even more earthquakes, unfortunately, over in Asia, which pushed the euro strength up because the single currency is investors' safe haven at the moment. And make no mistake, the euro itself has had its fair share of bad news. It had the rejection of the Portuguese austerity package. It had the resignation, of course, of the Portuguese Prime Minister. Also, decision to downgrade Portugal's sovereign debt rating, and of course a downgrade of 30 Spanish banks as well by the rating agency Moody's. So it's had its fair share of bad news, but euro resistance to this bad news has been nothing short of remarkable. So to sum up, with sterling at 2011 lows against the euro, don't be surprised if the pound gives up even more ground as concerns over the growth of the UK economy continue. That's all from me for this week. Please don't forget to check us out on www.currenciesdirect.net. Have yourselves a fantastic weekend.